Every year there seems to be a vegetable that, for one reason or another, becomes the new go-to favorite. Last year, kale seemed to be the produce pick that soared to the head of the class. This year, cauliflower is following in its footsteps. Yup, the same smothered with cheese sauce cauliflower that many of us grew up with is now prepared in all sorts of new ways. If you've never tried it roasted, you're missing out. You see, roasting it with a bit of olive oil in a hot oven brings out its natural sugar and allows the edges to get all crispy. Or how about slicing a whole head of cauliflower and grilling it until it's tender on the inside and has a smoky, nutty taste through and through. And a real big craze is mashing it after it's steamed or boiled. All we have to do is add some butter, sour cream, and a few off-the-shelf spices. It doesn't get any easier than this. What we end up with looks and tastes like mashed potatoes, but without all the carbs. If you want, you can dress this up with some fresh herbs, and you'll have a go-along that's both tasty and trendy. I hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our mashed and smashed cauliflower, so you're in the know when it comes to picking the hottest produce. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a different way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.